Hey guys, welcome to my channel Designcode. Today we are here to learn how to make a cartoon portrait on Procreate. So let's get started. Firstly, I have downloaded this image from Pinterest and now I am taking another layer on my art canvas to make the image outline. For this, I have selected the studio brush from the inking tool in the brushes section. My strokes are very clean, and this is how the image looks more interesting and cartoon like. It doesn't matter if the lines are not that precise. This is how your image will look at the end. Now I'm just lowering the opacity to clear and outline my lines of the hair because it is a lighter color. So now I'll just speed up the process and I'll get back to you when I am done with it for the rendering. Once I am done with my complete sketch, I'll now go back to my image and see if there is any overlapping lines, and I'll clean that so it is easier for us to render and this doesn't come in between. Now I'm just going on my image layer, downing the size of the image and keeping it aside for the color reference. I'll select the skin color from that, and now I'll make another layer below the layer of my outline so that it doesn't overlap my outline layer. Now I'm going to color inside the skin, and you can see that my eyebrows and butterflies are also being colored in skin, but it doesn't matter because we are going to go back and erase the excess color that is there in the image, and this is how the process will be done. And for the rendering part, I have taken the paintbrush tool, that is the round tool present in the Procreate pack itself in the paint column. Now I'll go back to the excess skin color and take the erase tool and remove each and every color from my butterflies and from my eyebrows so that I can fill it with the other colors, and just cleaning this process for now. Once I'm done with this part, I'm going to take the orange color from the garment, and below the skin color layer I'm going to put the color. And this is just because so that the orange color doesn't appear on the skin color. It is a very good layering process given by the Procreate to us that makes the coloring very easier, and it looks good at the same time. Now one by one I am going to select each and every color and then put below the other layer to complete my rendering process. Make sure each and every color should be on a different layer so that when it comes to cleaning, it is very easy for us to do that. After I am done with my solid colors, now I am going to do the blending. For this, I am taking the airbrush and taking the color from eyelid, that is the orange color of the eyeshadow. I am putting it on to another layer above the skin layer. I think you are understanding what I am trying to say. The color should not be solid, so the opacity of the airbrush should be on a lower side. And now I am putting the same color in the bottom of the eyelid too. Taking the white color and the same airbrush with a lower line, I am putting some dots on the eyelids to make it look like a glittering effect that is shown in the image. It should not be that precise as the image because this is a cartoon, so I think this is okay. And now I am taking the blue color and doing the same process. Once my eye part is done, now it is time to give some shadows to the image. So I'm taking the skin color. With the same airbrush, I'm going to go on the color tool, and now I'm going to just take a darker tone of my skin color, and I'll now put that on my forehead, on my neck, on my nose, and also on the cheekbones for some contouring process. Once I am done with it, now I am taking the blending tool, and just according to my preferences, I am blending the whole thing that I have done with the airbrush. It should not look that tacky, and go on with your instincts and just color it, blend it according to your preferences. Once you are done with the blending, now I'm going to erase the excess that is on the hand, and just to make it more cleaner, I am doing this process because we don't need the darker area onto my hands. And I can also do one more thing. I'll just remove some of the layers, and I'll only keep my outline layer and my blending layer, so that I can see from where the color is bleeding, and I'll erase the excess part from that area too. These are some of the tools that are there present in the digital sketching for manipulating, and this makes the digital artwork feel go to a next level. And this is what I love about digital drawing. I am just taking the darker color of the garment and giving the shadow to my whole image according to the lighting that is present, and after that we'll be done. So yeah, this was the whole process of making a cartoon Procreate portrait. So if you like this video, just click on the bell icon for my next video, subscribe to my channel and like this video. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Designcode 27. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.